Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Moody Boys channel. It's been a while since we've done a video, but today we got family in town for a little Christmas celebration, and we're going to be smoking a Boston butt and some sausages. And we thought we'd walk everybody through how we like to do it and what we like to do. And the first thing we're going to do is get our Pit Boss pellet smoker here. We're going to get it up to 350 degrees for the first bit of the cook. So we're going to set it and forget it. So once you get it going, this thing works great. You can just leave it on its own, but it's going to produce the smoke. We've got a clean grill. All right, guys, what we have here today is about a 9-pound Boston butt, and we're going to be seasoning this bad boy up and getting it ready for the smoker. All right, guys, the next part of our video here on how to do the Boston butt is you get it cleaned out of the wrapper. We soak it down with some water and then pat it down. You want to try to draw all the moisture you can get out. But the first thing we're going to do is cut some of this excess fat off and remove these just big hunks of fat. People say fat gives it flavor, but when you go to pull it, a lot of times it'll melt. Sometimes it's still a little gristly, so we like to cut the big parts off, and then we'll be ready to season this bad boy up. We're going to score the back side right here and cut this fat. This lets the seasoning get down through this layer of fat into the meat. Season this thing up with some pork perfect pork rub, and we're gonna give this thing a good coating with this stuff right here, and this gives it that color that we're looking for, and all the flavor comes from right here.
I hope that's not what we're not eating tonight or for lunch.
Alright, we're just gonna pat it down real well, get in all these crooks and crannies. And for all you Alabama fans out there, patting a butt like this is the fastest way to get kicked out of a family reunion. Next, we're going to put the butt on our smoker, which is still coming up to temperature. We're about 290 right now. We're going to try to get it to 350 degrees and let this thing cook for probably around 2.5 to 3 hours. We're going to try to get the internal temp up around 165-ish, and then we're going to take it off and wrap it and finish cooking it. So we're going to throw her on here. All right, our butt's been on the smoker now for about 3 hours, and we have got an internal temp on this bad boy of about 165 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap it. We put it in some butter and brown sugar and let that marinate and keep on cooking through to make the perfect butt. All right, we got this rascal wrapped up good and tight. We're gonna put it back in the smoker at 250 degrees and let it cook for probably about 4 more hours. We're gonna get an internal temperature of about 205 degrees. We'll come back and check it in just a little bit. All right, now we're gonna show y'all how we make our specialty barbecue sauce that we love with our pulled pork. We take a jar of Kraft Original. It has to be Kraft, in my opinion. This is the finest barbecue sauce on the market. We pour it into our saucepan. Get it going. We're going to add just a dab of white vinegar. And we're going to put some garlic salt. Just do it to taste, how much you like in there. And then we're going to add half a stick of butter and let that all come to a rolling boil. And just stir it the entire time. And it is delicious.
All right, now we're gonna check the inside of the meat to get to a temperature of about 205. Then we're gonna take it off, wrap it in a towel, and put it in a cooler for about an hour.
Next, guys, while we're waiting on the butt to soak in the towel, soak in those juices and get perfect before we pull it, we're gonna throw some up. These are already cooked sausages, but we're gonna heat them up and give them that smoke flavor. We gotta let our grill get back up to about 250 degrees, and we're gonna let these bad boys sit on here and roast. Let's take a look at this finished product here. It's been resting in the cooler now for a little over an hour. OMG. We're gonna pull it and get this bad boy ready to serve.